Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Auri nutrition subscription. As you know, Auri nutrition providing you lots of mushroom gummies and drops. So if you have purchased any product on their website and by mistakenly or by your known, if they activated subscription on your account, if you forget to cancel your subscription, so how you can cancel? Basically you can cancel your subscription very easily. What you have to do, you need to visit on their official website, and the official website link you can see tryauri.com. This is the official website. When you type this name on any browser like www.tryauri.com, you will see this kind of option, and there is also a manage subscription button, or you can directly visit on their official website. And when you scroll down at very bottom, you will find a manage subscription button. When you tap on the button, it will redirect you on a new window. On the new window, this kind of option you will get. In the new window, you need to provide your registered email address. When you enter your registered email address, which is your registered email address while activating subscription, while placing your order, you need to provide the same email. When you enter your email, you need to click on send login code. Once you click on login code, and they will send you a code. You need to open the same link in the another window. You need to log in into your email, and you need to open the same link, and you can cancel your subscription by using this way. This is the first method. And we talk about if this method is not working for you, you can also compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. So in the email, you need to compose the kind of things like your account details, your subscription plan, and each and everything you have to mention in the email. And you can also take a screenshot of this email, or you can take help from ChatGPT also. And in the end, you need to ask a proof of cancellation. And when you compose proper email, you need to send this email at their email address. The email address is like hello@tryauri.com. And this email they also mention on their account on Trustpilot. You can also find the same email on Trustpilot, and you can see they have mentioned hello@tryauri.com. So you need to send the same email at their email address, and once they will receive your email, once they will verify your details, they will cancel your subscription, and they will send you a copy of cancellation. If you not get any kind of proof of cancellation, then you need to keep in touch with the customer support team. Otherwise, they will charge on your account again and again. And make sure when you are going to cancel your subscription, the cancellation you need to provide prior at least 14 days next billing date. Okay, so you need to cancel your subscription before 14 days of your next billing cycle. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.